All right. Hello, mobile cleaning industry. We're just out here and about. I turn it around here for a second. All right. As you can tell, I'm a little bundled up today. Not too bad. It's right at about freezing, a little bit above, maybe a couple degrees. Got a little wind going, so that means a wind chill for us here. But it is fall, so you know that's the time of year we deal with this stuff. So I'm going to show you what I'm kind of doing today. If I can get this thing to work. Doesn't want to work because my fingers are cold. Well, maybe I can't get you turned around. Sorry, guys. There we go. Just didn't want to work. One finger must have been too cold. So we're out in some rural communities here. They're doing a lot of construction over there. So doing a little, water-fed pole work, even though it's cold. Got to pull this screen yet. One of the last windows we got to do on the outside. But with the water-fed pole, with all the construction they've had, that really allows me to flush the sills where that screen sets and really give them a nice clean to get them through the winter. But that's the thing we talked about this the other day, that with pure water, yeah, I know, Jacob, it does feel like winter out, but it's not officially winter yet, so winter will be here. But we're going to do this because with the pure water, what ice needs to form is debris. Particulates in the water is what the ice crystals will form around. So as you know, when we use our pure water system, we're taking all the particulates out of the water, which lowers the freezing temperature for that water. So it gives us a little more leeway when we're at freezing or a little wind chill. I haven't had anything ice up on me, even in some pretty high winds around the back here. So it's one of those things where you're out there, and as long as you keep your system warm the night before and you go out and you get your work done and you don't leave it out too long, you're going to be fine. The water's moving, it takes longer to freeze then too. So that's what we're doing today. A little fall cleaning, if you will. Even though it feels like beginning of winter. I do have to say I did see a couple of Florida guys mentioning that it felt like winter to them because they're low. What was it? Gene O'Neill told me his low was going to be in the 40s for a low. Well, Gene, your low is a good 10 or more degrees above my my high today. So enjoy that weather, and we're going to go ahead and get everything done. Yes, I will be safe. We're going to be safe out here. We got one more job after this and a couple errands, and then we're heading home. So hope everybody has a great day. Stay warm. If you're in Florida, you're already warm. I don't care how cold it is. So you guys stay warm out there.